Inside the dim sum factory, how millions of dumplings are made. Welcome to the heart of dim sum production, where tradition meets technology. Today, we'll take you behind the scenes to see how millions of these delicious morsels are crafted each day. Dim sum is more than just food. It's an experience, a tradition that brings people together. But have you ever wondered how these delicious morsels are made? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes at a dim sum factory to explore the incredible journey from raw ingredients to your favorite dishes on the table. Join us as we uncover the secrets of how millions of dim sum are processed every day. From sourcing ingredients to the final packaging, you'll see it all. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The History of Dim Sum. To truly appreciate dim sum, we must first understand its rich history. Originating in China, dim sum dates back over 1,000 years. It began as a simple snack for travelers along the Silk Road, where tea houses offered small dishes to accompany tea. As time passed, dim sum evolved into a culinary art form, particularly in Cantonese culture. The tradition of yum cha, or tea drinking, became synonymous with enjoying dim sum. Families would gather on weekends to savor an array of small dishes served in steamer baskets. Dim sum is not just food, it's an experience. It's about sharing and enjoying time together. Chapter 2. Sourcing ingredients. Now that we understand the cultural significance of dim sum, let's take a look at how it all begins, with the ingredients. The main components of dim sum include dough for wrappers, various fillings like pork and shrimp, and an array of seasonings. Each ingredient is carefully sourced from trusted suppliers. Soy sauce adds umami flavor, ginger, and garlic. For aromatic depth, and sesame oil provides richness. Chapter 3. The dough preparation. Now that the fillings are ready, it's time to make the dough. Using high-quality flour mixed with water and a pinch of salt is important. This simple combination creates a soft yet elastic dough perfect for wrapping around our delicious fillings. Kneading is crucial. Our machines work tirelessly to ensure that the dough reaches just the right consistency, smooth and pliable. This step is vital for creating dumplings that won't tear during cooking. Once kneaded, the dough is rolled out into thin sheets using automated rollers. The thickness needs to be just right, not too thick or too thin, so that it can hold the filling without breaking. Chapter 4. Filling production. Next comes the mixing of fillings. We combine shrimp with minced pork, adding seasonings like soy sauce, sesame oil, and ginger for that authentic taste. This mixture is what gives each dumpling its unique flavor profile. Also, cater to vegetarian preferences. The vegetable dumplings feature a delightful mix of mushrooms, carrots, and cabbage seasoned perfectly to ensure every bite is packed with flavor. Each filling is crafted with care to ensure maximum flavor and freshness. Hygiene is paramount during this stage. All workers wear gloves and hairnets to maintain cleanliness. Chapter 5. The assembly line. Now comes the magic. Our state-of-the-art machinery works alongside our talented staff to shape and fill each dumpling. Let's take a closer look at how this works. For hargao, shrimp dumplings, use a translucent wrapper made from rice flour. Each piece is filled with our shrimp mixture before being expertly folded into pleats. Siumai, pork dumplings, are open-topped dumplings filled with pork and topped with a piece of shrimp for presentation. Vegetable dumplings are shaped similarly, but require extra care to ensure they're sealed tightly so no filling escapes during cooking. Chapter 6. Steaming and cooking. After assembly, it's time for cooking. The dumplings are carefully placed in steaming baskets made from bamboo or stainless steel. Using traditional steaming methods that allow the dumplings to cook evenly while retaining their moisture and flavor. The factory also utilizes modern steamers equipped with timers and temperature controls to ensure consistent results every time. Chapter 7. Quality Control. Quality control is crucial throughout every step of production. Inspectors monitor everything from raw ingredients to finished products. 1. Checking freshness upon arrival. 2. Ensuring proper seasoning and texture. 3. Visual inspections for size, shape, and appearance. Taste tests conducted by quality assurance teams. Chapter 8. Packaging and distribution. Once cooked and inspected, it's time for packaging. Proper packaging is essential for maintaining freshness during transportation. The packages are labeled with nutritional information, cooking instructions, and expiration dates before being boxed up for distribution. The delicious dim sum travels from the factory to restaurants and grocery stores around the world, ensuring everyone can enjoy these tasty treats. Chapter 9. Logistics Management. The logistics team ensures that all packages are organized efficiently within our warehouse for quick dispatch. Once loaded onto trucks, these delicious dim sum delicacies are transported to restaurants and grocery stores across the country, ensuring they arrive fresh. Chapter 10. Enjoying dim sum. When you receive your dim sum at home or in a restaurant, there are many ways to enjoy them. Serve them with soy sauce or chili oil for an extra kick. Dim sum is traditionally enjoyed with tea, whether it's jasmine or oolong, complementing the flavors perfectly. Conclusion. And there you have it, the incredible journey of how millions of dim sum are processed every day. From sourcing fresh ingredients to packaging ready-to-eat meals, it's a meticulous process filled with passion and dedication. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the world of dim sum. Next time you savor these delightful bites, remember all the hard work that goes into making them possible. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into food production around the world. And share your favorite dim sum dishes in the comments below.